Dear student, today I will discuss about details of significant figure. First we should know what is significant figure. Actually significant figure means the number on which we have confident. So in the measured value of physical quantity, the confident number is taken as significant figure. Or better to say, significant figure is the sum of confident number plus one uncertain number. So, significant figure is sum of confident number plus one uncertain number. For example, 2.1, here this is a confident number or reliable number, and 0.1 is taken as uncertain number. So the place of uncertain number depends upon least count of the instruments. If the instruments measure least count up to 2 value, 2 place, then uncertain number transfer here. So in case of another example, 2.14, so here 4 is taken as uncertain number and 2.1 is taken as reliable number, because least count of the instrument measure up to 2 digit. Similarly, if the least count of the instrument measure up to 3 points, then we can say 2.321. So uncertain number is here and this is reliable number. So here uncertain number transfer up to 3rd place. In this way, if greater the number of significant figure, then it will give more correct value. Now, to obtain the number of significant figure in any physical quantity, there are certain defined rules. So we should apply that rule to obtain the number of significant figure. First we should say all the non-zero digit is counted as significant figure, is counted as significant figure. Example 243. So here significant figure is 3 because all are non-zero digit. Second, the 0 lies between 2 confident number to non-zero number, is counted as significant figure. Example, (2003). So these 0 lies between the 2 non-zero digit, it is counted as significant figure. So there are 4 significant figures in this case. Next, the 0 after decimal is counted as significant figure. 0 after decimal is counted as significant figure. Example 5.0. So here 2 significant figure because this 0 is counted as significant figure. Another example. .500.0 here 4 significant figure are there, and last is power on 10 is not counted as significant figure. So power on 10 is not counted as significant figure. Example 2400 or 2 into 10 to the power 2. Here significant figure is taken as 2 because the power on 10 is not counted as significant figure. So if number is given like this 3000, how many significant figure are there? So better to convert it in terms of 10, you will get the result very easily. So 3 into 10 to the power 3. So here only one significant figure is present. Similarly, in case of decimal, we can transfer the digit in terms of power on 10. You get the significant figure. Example 0.004. So how many significant figure? We should convert in 10 to the power minus 3. This is not counted as significant figure. So there is only one significant figure. In this way, we can easily count the significant figure. So next is your arithmetic operation of significant figure. Arithmetic operation of significant figure. If two significant figure are added or more than two significant figure are added, then the result must have minimum number of significant figure present in the equation. For example, if we add 1.2 gram plus 1.25 gram, so what is the result? 2.45 gram. Your answer should be in the minimum number of significant figure. This is the rule. So round off this one. So if 5 is dropped and this is a even number, so there is no change and it becomes 2.4. So there are two significant figures because in this equation 3 digits are there, minimum number of significant figure is 2. So your answer must have minimum number of significant figure. This is the rule for addition and subtraction of the significant figure. Similarly, in case of multiplication and division, the significant figure should be equal to answer. The significant figure should be equal to minimum number of original number. For example, 1.2 into 1.2, it becomes 1.44. So minimum number of significant figure in original number is 2. So your answer should have minimum number of significant figure and 1.2. This is the answer. according to mathematical operation of significant figure. Similarly, in case of division, same rule is applied. So, for example, if we divide 1.2 into 1.2, the original number is 1.2, 1.2. So, result is 1. So, significant figure must have two significant figure because original number is 2. Original number has two significant figures, so answer must have two significant figure. Here it is only one significant figure, that is wrong. You should write here 1.0. So this is the correct answer. In this way, mathematical operation take place. Next we should discuss about round of the significant figure. So there are certain rules also. First rule, if the number after decimal is greater than 5, then preceding number is raised by 1. Example 2.46, here it is greater than 5, so preceding number is becomes answer 2.5. Next, if the number after decimal is less than 5, then preceding number does not change. So example 1.44, after round off it becomes 1.4 because 4 is less than 5. Next, if the number after decimal is exactly 5, then we see the preceding number whether it is even or odd. If the preceding number is even, then number will be dropped and preceding number does not change. And if the preceding number is even, then number is dropped and preceding number raised by 1. For example 2.45, here exactly it is 5. So after round off it is even number, so no change. So after round off it becomes 2.4. Similarly, another example 2.35. In this case, here 5 is exactly 5 and preceding number is odd, so result becomes 2.4. It is raised by 1. So this is the route for the significant figure and round off. Thank you. Like it, subscribe it, help the channel. In next video we should discuss details of other topics. Okay.